Hey, I'm Bob, the Mortgage Coach Mitchell. Thank you very much for tuning in today. We are going over glossary terms and we are talking about C's, and we are down to credit risk. Now, that seems like a pretty silly one, but it's on the list, so we'll talk about it. Credit risk is the likelihood that a borrower will pay their obligations in a timely fashion as agreed. Borrowers who have a history of paying their bills on time are less of a credit risk than people who have had late payments. That's one of the reasons why we pull credit bureaus and why we check public records, is to see how you've paid your accounts in the past, if there's been any derogatory information. The more derogatory information, the more recent the derogatory information, and the more severe the derogatory information is, the more it's going to affect how the creditor looks at you as a credit risk. So the less of all those three things that you get, if you have, no outstanding credit issues, then that's better. If you had credit issues, but it was 6 years ago, that's pretty ancient history. It might still have an effect, but for the most part, we're concentrated on the last 2 years of history. So anyway, that's what a credit risk is. If you have any questions about it, feel free to reach out to me. I'm Bob, the Mortgage Coach Mitchell. Now let's put you into a house.